We're making small batch banana bread. Now we're going to start by peeling some gross bananas. These bananas are always so gross when they're ripe. But that's when they make the best banana bread or muffins. It's a small batch because it only uses 2 bananas, which is what I input into the recipe search because that's how many bananas I have. Get rid of the little stem end there. First thing we do is mash the bananas. You want to mash them until they're smooth, which isn't very hard when they're almost liquid to begin with. Then, after the bananas are mashed, we're going to put in a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. This is light brown sugar, and it was packed in the bowl. We're going to put 1 egg, a pinch of salt, and I actually this time used my pinch spoon. We're going to put in a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of vanilla and 1/3 cup of oil. You could use melted butter here. I just didn't feel like it this morning. It's a very rare day. I'm making a video in the morning. I don't do this often. The oven is preheating to 350. And now we have a cup of flour, and we'll add that. This is just all-purpose flour. You don't want to stir this very long because it's got flour in it, and that could theoretically develop gluten, and we don't want to do that. So we just basically want to stir it until it's mixed. And we have achieved that. I have a muffin tin lined with paper. Let's see what we got here. One of the problems with living in the tropics is you need a fan. Okay, they're ready for the oven. They're going in the oven for 20 minutes approximately. We'll start checking them at about 18. And we'll check with a toothpick. So let's get them in the oven. Our banana muffins are out of the oven. Let's give one a try. They are springy. Smell great. They taste great. Lordy, lordy, that's good. Of course, I can't see myself in this, but there's a banana muffin. So these are super easy to make. You can see I didn't even use a mixer to make them. They're really good. If you like this video or any of my videos, consider sharing them with your friends. Thank you very much. See you next video.